So this will show you what I mean when I say the lake is down. You see this little sandbar right here. Beyond there, there's more water, and it's open on the other side. This over here used to be an island. I used to be able to paddle a canoe right across this sandbar. Now it's completely out of the water. So, some more Asclepias incarnata. So this whole part right here used to be underwater too. And when it was an island, I don't know where the loons nested this year, but they used to nest out on the point of the island over there. I don't know how it got, covered with grass so quickly, because it hasn't been that long since it was underwater, as I recall, but it's weird. Look at that. Looks like a deer footprint. So this is the point out here. This is where the loons used to nest. And you see it's open still back in there, and then the sandbar over there. This area back here was always pretty swampy. And right over there, let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there's an old beaver lodge. I don't think anybody lives there anymore. We used to call that beaver Little Al, and the beaver on the other side of the lake Big Al, because the other side of the lake is big and this side of the lake is little, as you can see. So I didn't bring the Steadicam, so my apologies for not being so steady out here. I must say that is most distressing. This whole area of the lake along here has always been, well, like this. Somebody owns it, obviously. Somebody always has since, well, I don't know when, but it's always been wild. And this particular spot right in here has always been my favorite spot to look across to, because it's like directly across from our dock. And I just loved how, it looks wild and untouched. I mean, there's plenty of crap, over there. You can see them all. Everybody over there. Might have to find a new lake sometime. In fact, that whole shore over there used to be owned by one guy. He had to sell it. Well, he had to sell it for personal reasons, because his son apparently beat somebody to death with a shovel, and he needed money for legal expenses, I guess. I don't know the whole story. That's just what I heard. But I'm sad. Sad to see that fucking sign right there. Bastards.